Hello everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums MCQ series. Plums is a prelims level up MCQ series. On daily basis we are going to deal 5 MCQs. So this is episode 97. In this video we are going to deal MCQs related to CSAT math aptitude and reasoning. In the same way daily we are going to deal 5 MCQs at 9 PM along with us. You can also join. On Tuesday geography environment MCQs will be dealt. Wednesday is about polity, governance and schemes. Thursday is about economics, budget and survey. And Saturday is about CSAT math, aptitude and reasoning. Sunday current affairs, maths IR. Monday history, art and culture. And Friday science and technology. If you practice the right way with us, then no one can stop you from clearing the UPSC exam. So there are only 2 steps which are there in order to get the free classes for UPSC. First one is to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get lots of access to free content which is there in the channel. So there are some videos which are only available for the subscribers. So please kindly subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell icon so that you'll get access to all the content which we upload. And also step 2 is to save this number, that is 7200681675, and WhatsApp to this number like UPSC free. Like send this text UPSC free to this WhatsApp so that you will get foundational videos and all the information related to this channel. So let's solve the first MCQ today. Without any further delay, what must be added to each of the numbers 7, 11 and 19 so that the resulting numbers may be in the continued proportion? So first let me tell you what is continued proportion. For example, there are numbers like, let's think x, y, z are 3 numbers. So if they are in continuous proportion, it means that x by y is equal to y by z. This is nothing but it's a continued proportion. For example, A, B, C, D are in the continual proportion. Here there are 4 numbers. Here we can write A by B is equal to C by D. Okay. So as there are only 3 numbers, x by y is equal to y by z. This will be the continued proportion. It means that 7 plus some number by 11 plus some number is equal to 11 plus some number by 19 plus some number. Some number in each case is same as given in the question. So let us take from the options. Okay. Let's come from bottom. It's better to come from bottom in whichever exam you solve. So in order to do the optional elimination trick, you can do from the bottom and you can also read options from bottom. Okay, it will be easier and it will help you to solve many of the questions in lesser amount of time. This is a trick. Okay. For example, 7, 11 and 19. So 7 minus 3. Let's take 7 minus 3 by 11 minus 3 is equal to 11 minus 3 by 19 minus 3. Okay, let's check whether LHS will be equal to RHS or not. 7 minus 3 is nothing but it's 4. 11 minus 3 is 8. 11 minus 3 is 8 again. 19 minus 3 is 16. So 16 4s is 64. 8 8 is 64. So 64 is equal to 64. LHS is equal to RHS. So minus 3 is the correct answer for question number 1. So I am giving you homework. Check out whether it is coming for first 3 options or not. So obviously they won't come, but I am giving you homework to do it on your own. Okay, I am not going to check proportionality for first 3 numbers. Check by using first 3 numbers also. Okay, after checking, comment yes, I have done in the comment box so that I will know whether you have done or not. Now let's solve the MCQ number 2. A train does a journey without stopping in 8 hours. If it had travelled 5 kilometers an hour faster, it would have done the journey in 6 hours 40 minutes. What is its slower speed? So we have to find the slower speed. In both the cases, the distance will be same, right? The distance in both the cases is same. So distance is equal to nothing but speed into time. S1 T1 in the first case is equal to S2 T2 because distance 1 is equal to distance 2. Okay, distance is equal to speed into time. So let's take the speed of the first case as x into time 1 is given as 8 hours. Okay, speed 2, it is 5 hours faster. So let's take x plus 5 and time 2 is nothing but 6 hours 40 minutes. Let's convert this 40 minutes also into hours. So 6 plus 40 by 60. Okay, in order to convert minutes into hours, we have to divide it by 60. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So the solution will be 6 is 80, 9 20. 20 by 3 will be the answer. Okay. So we have to multiply by 20 by 3. So I am multiplying by 20 by 3. Okay. After this, let's solve. If 3 goes to LHS side, 8 is a 24, 24x is equal to 20x plus 5 to the 10, that is 100. Okay. 24 minus 20 is 4x is equal to 100. X is equal to 25. So 4 25 is 100. So x is equal to 25 km per hour. So option 2 is the correct answer for question number 2. Now let's solve MCQ number 3. The average of 17 numbers is 10.9. If the average of first 9 numbers is 10.5 and that of the last 9 numbers is 11.4, what is the middle number? Okay, let's write the information. For example, the numbers are x1, x2, x3, so on till x17. Okay, x1, so on till x17. Now we are finding the average, right? So as there are 17 numbers, I am dividing by 17 is equal to, as given in the question, 10.9. Okay, this value is nothing but 10.9 into 17. 10.9 into 17 is 185.3. Okay, it is 185.3. Okay, now read the next data. If the average of first 9 numbers, x1 to x9 by 9. Okay, I am directly multiplying 9 into the average given as 10.5. 10.5 into 9 is nothing but 94.5. Okay, I am directly writing the data. In the second case, and that of the last 9 numbers. Last 9 numbers will start from x9 again. x9 till x17 is equal to 9 into 11.4, that is 102.6. 9 into 11.4 is 102.6. Okay. Now we have to add these two equations, the second equation and the third equation. Okay, if you add the second equation and third equation, it will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x9. x9 will be twice. So I am taking till x17. Again, one more extra 9 is there, so I am writing over here plus x9. 94.5 plus 102.6 is nothing but 197.1. It is 197.1. Okay, we have got till here. So now we have to substitute this equation in the first equation. Now we have to substitute the resultant equation in the first equation. I hope so you have understood. Okay, let me change the color for the better understanding. Okay, when we are substituting in the first equation, it's nothing but x1 till x17, you have got the value as 197.1 minus x9. So x9 will go to the RHS side. 197.1 minus x9 will be the value. So we have to substitute this value in this numerator. Okay, we have to substitute in the numerator. So if you substitute it in the numerator, it will be 197.1. So let me take the fresh page again. So it will be 197.1, okay, minus x9 by, as there are 17 numbers in the first equation, is equal to, we have got the, wait, we have already multiplied, right? So is equal to 10.9. We have multiplied already 10.9 into 17. We have got the resultant as 185.3. 197.1 minus x9 is equal to 185.3. So 197.1 minus 185.3 is nothing but its x9 value. Okay, the resultant is 197.1 minus 185.3 is nothing but 11.8. So x9 value is 11.8. So option A is correct for question number 3. I have given the solution once again over here. You can check out the solution by pausing the video. Okay. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. 9 men and 12 boys finish a job in 12 days. 12 men and 12 boys finish it in 10 days. 10 men and 10 boys shall finish it in how many days? So we know that there is a formula M1 W1 into T1. We have read it in the previous videos. I think it's in the second video or the third video. in the initial days. M2, W2, T2. Okay. M1 is given as 9. So work in the both cases is same. So I am cancelling W. So 9 men. 1 second. So I am cancelling, this is T2. I am cancelling both the works. So first case, number of men are 9 men plus 12 boys. So total are 9 men plus 12 boys. Okay. Finish the job in 12 days. T1 is 12 is equal to 12 men plus 12 boys. Will finish the work in 10 days. So if you solve this thing, 12 into 9, it's nothing but 108. 108m plus 12 into 12 is 144b. 12 into 10 is 120m plus 120b. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, 108m, 120m. The resultant will be 12m. And 144b minus 120b is 24b. So 12 to the 24. So 2b we have got it as m. M is equal to 2b. This is the equation. Remember that we have got 2b is equal to m. 2 boys is equal to 1 man. So we can equate any things, like for example, let's take the same m1. T1 is equal to, I'm not taking work because work however gets cancelled, m2 into T2. Okay. M1 in the first case is 9 men plus 12 boys into T1 is 12. Number of days is 12. So M2 in this case we are taking 10 men and 10 boys. Okay. 10 men plus 10 boys. We have to find the T2. Right. We have to find the value of T2. We have got 2b value as m. So let's substitute m value as 2b. 9 into 2b plus 12b into 12 is equal to 10 into 2b into 10b into T2. We have to find the value of T2. If you solve this, 9 to the 18. 18 plus 12 is nothing but 30b into 12 is equal to 10 to the 20. 20 plus 10 is 30 again, 30b into T2. Okay. We have got this. 30b and 30b will get cancelled and T2 is equal to 12. So we have got equation, the time 2 is 12. So by using one simple formula we have solved this question. So 12 days is the correct answer. Now let's solve last MCQ of the session. So we have to find this equation. We have to just simplify it. Okay. The given data is 0.2 into 0.2 plus 0.01 by, so power minus 1 is nothing but divided by. So we have to just divide 0.1 into 0.1 plus 0.02. So 0.2 into 0.2 is nothing but 0.04 plus 0.01 by 0.01. So 0.1 into 0.1 is nothing but 0.01 plus 0.02. So if you take decimals common, every decimal will get cancelled in numerator and in the denominator also. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. So simply we have got 5 by 3 is the answer. So that is it for today's video. I hope so you have enjoyed this series. So let's meet in the next episode tomorrow. So until then, please subscribe to channel and stay tuned. Thank you everyone. Keep smiling. Bye-bye.